wish that it turned out to his Venom suit because it was freaking out when he does that. I don't know.
Oh, what's up, dude? Wait, but why you have red hair?
Good, I like it. You like it?
Yeah, I kind of like it. It looks pretty sick.
It doesn't bad.
But dude, I finally moved back to Minecraft. I finally moved back to LA from Minecraft. Are you happy? Because then we've never seen each other again. Shut down! Okay. Oh, I hate school. This is finally over. Well, time. Come on, let's go into the alley over here. Oh, one. Dude, are you ready to become Spiral and Speedbeetle? Spiral! You okay?
Wait, what happened?
I do not know. You just started screaming as soon as I became Spiral. What happened?
I don't know. I just feel something a little weird. I just feel a little weird today.
Oh, so what? We go to the spirit base.
Wait. That city is on fire.
Gosh, one of us would never leave. I never met you in my entire life. Yes, over there!
Wait, let me read his mind. My calculation says, oh no. Come on, follow me.
I don't know where you at. You at? I'm here. Where are you? Where's he going? Wait, our old superhero base. Why are we here?
I don't know. My calculation says he's over here. Oh, don't go.
This is gonna be a perfect plan for tomorrow. What's tomorrow gonna be like?
Isn't that monkey up and...
Yeah, it is. Well, dude, we may get out of here now. We may make your plan. Come on. Yeah. Boss, dude, what's happening? Tell us a plan. Okay. Thanks. Come on. Oh yeah, I forgot. Be careful. We don't want. I heard there's some triggers around here, so be careful. We don't want. Don't. Come on. Hey. I know where you should go. Come on. 3, 2. Ow. I knocked them out. Come on. I put him in there for a while. I'll get back. I'll get backpack kid. This feels good. I got him. Wait. Oh, come on. Who are you? Can we do all this tomorrow, please? Who must not know what's going to happen tomorrow?
Okay, but...
Y'all not know what's going to happen.
So... Speedbeetle, you don't remember me, right? No. So... My name is Doctor... Wait, Doctor.
Oh, now I know.
My uncle. How do you betray us? My nephew. You will never do this. You know something? Oh, you used to look into our side. Don't say.
Wait. Dude.
This, I'm sorry. It used to happen in 26. I used to be evil with him. I told him that I'm tired of being evil. He told me to kill the people I told him. And also, I told him that I
Wait. my parents was also killed by what was her superhero name? What was her real name?
Dr. Emilian.
You killed my parents.
No, it was my uncle.
You killed my parents! I don't want to see you ever again! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! No, my parents are dead because of you. I hate you. I don't want to see you ever again.
That's it.
Speedbeetle killed my parents.
What? Speedbeetle killed your parents?
Yeah, he killed them when I was a baby. I don't even know how that possible. Me and him were the same age. Wait, how did he even?
Oh, my head. Okay, I'm kind of in school. Yo, Chris, why are you in this? How could you do this? I know that's my twin brother. He tried to use me to kill you.
Unbelievable.
You don't look. Hold on.
But what the heck? Speedbeetle! Now I gotta tell him I'm sorry. I can't believe I didn't believe my own best friend. Speedbeetle, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please listen. I'm sorry. I thought it was you because y'all look the same. I thought y'all were that. I thought you killed my parents. I'm sorry.
Yes. I believe you. I'm sorry, I have to move away from the city.
No, you are not moving away from the city. You are the second most popular superhero. Do you want people to forget about you?
No.
Yes. Listen, there's other city. Besides, this is the city that we both are the most popular in. Think about your family. Think about since I'm your adopted brother. Think about me as your adopted brother. Think as your family. Think about your real brother. Think about all those people that will miss you.
Right. I cannot quit.
Yeah.
Okay. So I should talk about 2 years. Please. The loss that you were talking to, that was him. That was my twin brother.
You have a twin brother?
Yes, he knocked out.
Let me tell you a crush. Stacy, is he telling the truth? Let me check. Yep, he's telling the truth. Okay. Oh yeah, you have a weird voice by the way, Stacy. Shut up, I'm going away. I'm gonna take a vacation. See you, Stacy. Shut up, Chris. Oh, okay. No, she hurt my feelings. Me and her feet go hands. That's crazy. Yeah, she does not want to talk to you.
Actually, she did though, but never mind.
Well,
We need to make a plan. And I have bad news and good news. The bad news is, it's okay. You'll be knocked out in 100 days. The good news, I got good news and bad news. The good news is he'll be knocked out in 100 days. The bad news is he's coming back to life in 100 days.
listen, guys, there's something going to happen tomorrow. So that's why I make sure I have really good sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, alright dude, let's go save the world right now. Come on. Thank you guys so much for watching this roleplay. Oh yeah, we're making a movie and it's coming out soon. The reason we said tomorrow is because we don't know when it's going to come out, but right now, let's say it's on the way. No, it's actually coming next year, guys. We're actually making it next year, guys. So yeah, it's gonna be a long wait, but it's gonna be worth it, guys. So yeah, see you in the next roleplay. See you guys. Woohoo!